Hi, my name's Becky. Hi, I'm Martha.
I'm Elis.
And we're coming to you today from a loft on the Carmarthen campus to talk to you about Big Vote 2020. The Big Vote is our student election where we choose not only our successors, but lots of other student leadership roles for the academic year 2020 to 2021.
So there's something for everyone. There's part-time roles, full-time roles, paid and voluntary. All are amazing opportunities and we encourage you to run for them.
There's 4 different types of position that you can run for. So full-time sabbatical positions like myself, Elis and Martha, our SU chairperson, our student trustees and our part-time officers. We're sabbatical officers and there are 4 positions available: group president and then 3 campus presidents, one for Lampeter, Carmarthen and Swansea. This is a full-time role where you normally take a year out of your studies to work full-time and you get paid to do that. Or if you're like me, you can make your studies part-time and study alongside your work.
So then we have our part-time officers who oversee a unique portfolio of students. So for example, our LGBT officer, international officer and mature student officer. They volunteer to do this alongside their studies.
And then we have our student trustees, and they're elected to sit on our trustee board to help shape the future direction and strategy of the Students' Union. Last but not least, our SU chairperson, and as the name suggests, this person chairs our big SU councils as well as our annual general meetings. For full details, see the description alongside this video somewhere. Bye!
Bye!